Hello, welcome to my channel. What I am going to talk about in short, a good 25 points for mother-cat hugs are so intense. 1. Instinctual connection. The intensity of a mother-cat's hug reflects an instinctual and primal connection with her kittens. Two. Comfort zone. The hug provides a secure and familiar comfort zone for the kittens, promoting a sense of safety. 3. Sensory stimulation. Intense hugs stimulate various senses, aiding in the holistic development of the kittens. 4. Individualized affection. Mother cats tailor the intensity of their hugs to suit the unique needs and personalities of each kitten. 5. Heartbeat synchronization. The rhythmic nature of hugs can synchronize the kitten's heartbeats with their mother's, creating a harmonious bonding experience. 6. Transmitting affection. Through intense hugs, mother cats transmit not just warmth, but a profound sense of affection to their kittens. 7. Teaching trust. Hugs are a lesson in trust building, instilling a foundation for positive relationships in the future. 8. Emotional resonance. The intensity of hugs resonates emotionally, creating a lasting imprint on the kitten's emotional intelligence. 9. Natural stress reliever. The tight embrace serves as a natural stress-relieving mechanism for kittens facing uncertainty. 10. Boundary definition. Hugs assist in defining personal boundaries, teaching kittens about social interaction norms. 11. Mimicking mother's actions. Kittens often mimic the intensity of hugs they receive, replicating their mother's nurturing behavior. 12. Posture communication. Different hug intensities convey specific messages, contributing to a nuanced system of communication. 13. Developmental milestones. The intensity of hugs adapts to the developmental milestones of the kittens, providing tailored support. 14. Balancing independence. While intense, hugs strike a delicate balance, allowing kittens to explore independence within a secure framework. 15. Navigating environments. Mother cats use hugs to guide their kittens through new environments, offering a source of guidance. Comforting sounds. The sounds accompanying hugs, like purring, create a soothing auditory environment for the kittens. 17. Imprinting security. Intense hugs imprint a sense of security in the kittens, influencing their future relationships and behaviors. 18. Uninterrupted bonding. Hugs create uninterrupted bonding moments, fostering an unbreakable connection between mother and kittens. 19. Response to distress. Mother cats intensify hugs in response to distress, showcasing a keen awareness of their kittens' emotional states. 20. Growth support. The intensity of hugs adapts as kittens grow, providing continuous support through various stages of development. 21. Scent exchange. Hugs involve scent exchange, reinforcing the familial scent that helps kittens identify each other. 22. Enhancing motor skills. Physical contact aids in the development of motor skills, and the intensity of hugs contributes to this process. 23. Socializing with littermates. Hugs aren't solely directed from mother to kitten. Littermates also engage in reciprocal intense hugs, fostering social bonds. 24. Preventing sibling rivalry. Intense hugs contribute to a harmonious environment, reducing the likelihood of sibling rivalry within the litter. 25. Expressing joy. Hugs, with their varying intensities, become a means for expressing joy and happiness within the feline family dynamic. If you like what is said in this video, then subscribe the channel, like, comment, share the video.